welcome. This is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have an unboxing to do for you today. This one is something a little bit different. So this is by a company called Wiskf. They contacted me and asked me if I'd like to review some of their products. And I went on and had a look and I thought, oh, this is quite different. Yes, I will. So this company has all different tote bags. So these tote bags, I thought would be really good for putting your crafts in and that sort of thing, keeping your projects separated, or you can travel with them, that sort of thing. So I got three different ones. I will start with crinkle. Okay, I'll start with this one. So that's how it comes packaged. Now these bags are they're handmade. It says on their website they are handmade from stone-washed linen. They're made with environmentally friendly ink and dye. So they are 40 by 40 centimeters, which is wow, that's perfect size. And I thought this would be great for, yeah, you could like take your crafts with you when you go, like in the car, or when you go visit someone and you do crafting together. The possibilities are endless, but I thought it would be awesome to sort of keep your stuff separated. So I got this one. This is flowers. I thought it was really bright and colorful. I really like that. The fabric feels really nice. Like, it's not super stiff or anything. It's got your handles, so you got a decent length on your handles, so you can pop that over your shoulder. I'm just having a look at the stitching. So looks like it's really well made, actually. It looks pretty good. Quite sturdy. It's not lined, but that's okay. That looks really, really good. Yeah, so I thought, oh, you know, we'll go on there and have a look at their website. They actually have so many different designs. I'm like, I don't even know what to choose. How can I narrow this down? So it is double-sided. They're black handles. Well, that is really lovely. I love it. I love the colors. It's just a happy, cheery design. I really love that. It's really pretty. And it's well made too, like your seams along the edging are quite nice, and they're sort of I'm trying to collect my thoughts. Yeah, so it's actually well made, and your stitching looks really good. That's what I'm trying to say. Spit it out. That looks really, really nice. So that's bag number one. That's really pretty. And number two. So I like how they come in individual bags, like this. It's good because if you want to give it away as a present, like these, I'm thinking with Christmas. They were not expensive. I thought they were like a really good gift to give away at Christmas, or to put your gift in, or to take with you on holidays, that sort of thing. Yeah, wow, that's gorgeous. So this is it's a forest. I love it. I just love the different colors of the trees coming through. I thought that was really pretty, and I love the blue. So again, this one is the same. They're all 40 by 40s. Same size, same black handles. Stitching across the top looks really good, but I noticed when I came across here, they just overstitched it there. Yeah, look, I don't really care about that. It's for me, so I don't mind. That looks really, really good. Very pretty. But they have so many different designs. Like, I was just on there for like an hour going, I don't know which one. I like that one, I like that one, I like that one. Oh, I'll get that one for my mom. But that looks really lovely. and inside. So you could fit like quite a lot in this bag. It opens up quite big. So that is bag number 2. And last but not least, bag number 3. So this one, I just love the design. Really, really pretty. That one looks like it's got longer handles. So there you go, there's your heart. It's beautiful, bright, colorful, just gorgeous. Really, really love that. Stitching looks good on the front. But I just love all the different colors. And actually, I love these little curly cues. I think they're really cool. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. Double-sided as well. So it looks really, really good. Stitching across the top. I just got a little stitching over there, which is fine. It looks really, really good. And I must say the colors are nice and vibrant. Like they're not washed out or anything like that. Be interesting to see if you got it wet to see if any of the colors run. But I'd assume they wouldn't. But that looks awesome. I love that. Really, really pretty. So these would be really good. They have like, you could take these traveling like, you know, you can sort of, I was thinking like traveling, I could put my, you know, when you're on a plane and you have your handbag and you want to take, you know, snacks, or you want to take a couple little things with you, but it doesn't fit in your handbag kind of thing. I always put my handbag in a bag, and then I can add a couple things later, you know, to take with me, like my book or something like that. And I thought this would be perfect to take on the plane, to put my stuff in my handbag and, you know, that sort of little stuff. So that's kind of my idea. I was thinking with that. Also, if you're going to the beach, you could pop your towel and your sunscreen and your sunnies and all that sort of stuff in there, because it actually holds a lot. You'd be able to fit it all in there. Or likewise to the pool. It's great as a gift. Geez, you could just use it for everything. Your crafts. Also, I was thinking too, if you wanted to sort of organize your linen closet, and if you're like me, you keep getting your sheets mixed up, you know, because single beds and the queen size bed, I keep getting them mixed up. I was thinking you'd sort of put all your single bed, you know, sheets and pillowcases, all the matching stuff in each bag or something like that. Like I could put my son's ones in here and mine in another one. It's another idea. But yeah, I wanted to test it out. So I've got my knitting. So this is my scarf that I have knitted, pulled out, knitted, pulled out, knitted, pulled out. And winter's nearly over. So actually it is pretty much over. So yeah, anyway. But it's good for sort of putting that in here. And then I can keep all the wool that I bought for it, or all the yarn that I bought for it, and the pattern and the needles and everything in the one bag. So that's actually what I do with my knitting and my crochet. I do have them in separate bags. So I can keep all the yarn together, so I'm not running around going, where did I put that extra ball of yarn? I can't find it. So that's nice and big for that. Or you could put all your cross stitch in there. I do have a couple of bags where I have my cross stitches, my whips on the go, and I put them all in there. Like, oh, here's one right here. I'm working on this one at the moment. It's my poppies. But as you can see, I've just got stuff everywhere. And I can just pop them all in there. And what I do is, because it's got needles and stuff like that, and I don't want it knocked over, I actually hang it on the doorknob in my bedroom, just so it sort of keeps up and out of the way. But as you can see, you can fit quite a bit in there. Beautiful. So I am loving those. Let me get him out of there. You can go back over there. Yeah, so there you go. So they're my 3 bags that I got from Wiskf. There's one, the hearts, and the scenery, the trees, and my flowers. So bright and colorful, those ones, aren't they? They're just gorgeous. 3 different designs of these 40x40 bags. When you go on the website and you have a look, you can get, like, gosh, there's just so many different ones. They have animals and flowers, they've got scenery, they've got abstract, they've got like alphabet letters, so you can have like a big D in the middle of it and some swirls around it, or A, or whatever initial you want, which makes it perfect gift. Also, they do custom, so if you have a specific design or something you want on there, they can do that for you too, which is a bonus. So there you go. There are my 3 really cool linen tote bags. I really love these, and the prices were really good too. I just thought they were really good, budget friendly. So there you go, 3 beautiful tote bags from Wiskf. I'd like to thank them very much for sending these guys out to me for a review. Thank you so much. I wouldn't mind getting a few more actually, because I got some plans for these ones. But yes, thank you so much for sending these out for review. I will have the links to these guys in the description box below if you are interested. But yeah, jump on there and have a look at some of the designs they have. Some of them are just absolutely stunning. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!